We're the best roofers in Pleasanton. Pleasanton, California is a city that is prone to severe weather elements. The construction and design of Pleasanton homes take these conditions into consideration. The roof is a very important part of the Pleasanton home. It is the first line of defense against the Pleasanton weather. A Pleasanton roof must be able to withstand high winds, severe rains, and scorching sun. Pleasanton roofs are designed and built to be tough and durable. They are also designed to be aesthetically pleasing. The roof is an important part of the Pleasanton home because it protects the interior of the home from the damaging effects of the weather. The roof also adds to the curb appeal of the Pleasanton home. A well-designed and well-constructed Pleasanton roof will enhance the beauty of the Pleasanton home and add to its value. A Pleasanton roof is a quality investment that will pay for itself many times over in terms of protection and value. Pleasanton, California is a city with a rapidly growing population. As the city expands, there is an increasing need for new homes and businesses. To meet this demand, Pleasanton has seen a boom in construction activity. With so many construction companies to choose from, it can be difficult to know which one to trust. Pleasanton residents can take comfort in knowing that there is a construction company that is known for its quality work and efficiency. This company has been serving the Pleasanton community for many years and has a reputation for being hardworking and smart. When it comes to choosing a construction company, Pleasanton residents can be confident in choosing one that will provide quality work and efficient service. We're a construction company based in Hayward, but we help people all around the Bay Area. So, whether you're located in Pleasanton or any other part of the Bay Area, we can give you a hand. Our reputation is well known around here. We are always within your budget and produce the quality of work that you're expecting. We're hardworking, smart, and friendly. And our design team is second to none. So, if you need any help with construction, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for considering us.